Nikki of nikkihaddock.com and Back to Basics. Welcome back today for another segment in our Instant Pot series. Today we're going to be doing a beef stock in the Instant Pot, and I'm excited to try this one out because normally when you make a beef stock or any kind of stock, it's a process that takes 8 to 12 hours, and this should be done within an hour and a half. So I'm excited to try that out, but first a reminder that the deadline for the Instant Pot contest to win this Instant Pot is coming up July 31st, 2019. So make sure you enter. The details for that can be found on the Back to Basics or Goes to 11 social media. So that being said, let's head over to the kitchen and give this beef stock a try. Here we are ready to start our beef stock. So to start off with, you'll notice in the recipe that it tells you to roast the bones in the oven for 45 minutes at 425. So in the interest of saving time for this shoot, I've already done that. So these have already been roasted. So we're going to put those into the pot. Then we're going to add our very rough cut carrot, celery, onion, and garlic. You don't even have to take the paper or peel anything, just leave it all on. And our bay leaves. We're going to add our tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and our teaspoon of salt. And now all we're going to do is fill the Instant Pot to the max line with water and then pop it into the Instant Pot. We have put the Instant Pot insert back into the Instant Pot, and now we're going to seal the lid. Make sure that you've got your seal on properly. And then once this hour and 15 minutes is up, we're going to let it release naturally. Here we have our completed beef stock. So all we did was, once the Instant Pot had finished its pressure cook, we allowed it to naturally release. Then we used a slotted spoon to remove all of the large vegetables and the beef bones. And then we strained it into another container with a mesh strainer, a fine mesh strainer. And this is what we have left. The best thing to do is to portion it out into 1 or 2 cup portions, which is what our recipes usually call for, and then freeze it for later use. If you're going to freeze it in jars, make sure that you leave a good 2 inches from the top to allow for expansion, otherwise the glass will break. Hope you enjoyed today's segment. Please give us a like, subscribe, hit the reminder button on your notifications so you don't miss any future segments. As always, the recipe is in the description, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll get back to you. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.